Hi, repeat the sentences after me and remember them. I have a car. My car is blue. I have two hammers. My hammers are new. You have a van. Your van is white. You have five keys. Your keys are gray. He has a horse. His horse is young. He has 10 rabbits. His rabbits are small. She has a rabbit. Her rabbit is black. She has three cats. Her cats are big. It has a tail. Its tail is long. It has four toys. Its toys are old. We have a TV. Our TV is big. We have two desks. Our desks are brown. You have a swimming pool. Your swimming pool is deep. You have six jackets. Your jackets are warm. They have a house. Their house is big. They have 12 apples. The apples are yellow. Okay, good job. See you soon.